Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of After the License. I'm your host, Jeff Buettner. This is the podcast where we help real estate agents build their business. If you're listening via a podcast app, just know that we are going live on YouTube, so make sure you check out the YouTube channel and hit subscribe. If you're watching me on YouTube right now, know that you can catch us on pretty much all of the podcast channels. So please like and subscribe wherever you're at there. Today, I want to talk about taxes. As real estate agents, most of us are 1099 independent contractors. So taxes is something we have to pay extra mind to. As an independent contractor, we don't have employers collecting and paying portions of our taxes. So that responsibility is on us. As agents, we get caught up if we don't save enough money for taxes and ultimately pay Uncle Sam at the end of the year. So it's recommended that every time you do a deal, every time you get a commission check, that you take a portion of that and put it away and save it for your tax bill. Now, it's also recommended that you go and talk to an accountant to figure out exactly what percentage you should be saving. As an independent contractor, it's oftentimes you have to pay more than just once a year. Most independent contractors actually have to pay taxes quarterly, kind of an anticipated amount of taxes. So those are important things to think about. So talk to an accountant, understand that as an independent contractor, you need to save for taxes and you're ultimately going to be paying a little bit more in taxes in most cases. And it's important to remember that you should be saving a portion of each and every check so that you don't have a big bill when Uncle Sam comes calling. Now, the question I hear a ton is, how much should I be saving? Again, you should talk to an accountant. I think a good general rule of thumb is 20 to 25% of whatever your commission check is that you get after your commission split with your brokerage. So if your brokerage takes 20%, whatever your remaining check is, whatever the amount you get to go take to the bank, I would take 20 to 25% of that and I would put it away. What I tend to do is I put it in a separate bank account. You can go to some online banking. Ally.com is one of them. You can set up a real easy savings account. I just immediately shoot over the 20, 25%, whatever I'm hoping to save, so that it's not in my checking account, it's not in my traditional savings account, and it's not in my business account. And I don't see it, and I don't worry about it, and I don't think about it, and I don't accidentally end up spending it. And so that's just one strategy. But ultimately, the purpose of today's episode is to talk about you need to be saving for taxes. You need to be thinking about it. Talk to an accountant. Save every single time you get a commission check and put it away so you don't see it and you don't think about it and you don't end up spending it. Okay, guys, again, After the License, check us out on YouTube and anywhere you get podcasts. Please like, review, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.